Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to find your account balance. So when you first log in, by default, you will be on the Dashboard tab. And what you want to do is click on the Assets tab right here towards the top of the page. Now, if you have multiple accounts, you will have to specify which account you want to look at. So today we're going to look at this one. If you do only have one account, it will automatically pull it up. Once the account is selected, you can scroll down and you will see all of the assets in this account. Now there are a few different columns. This column, asset class, asset description, is just the name of the asset. They are categorized depending on what type of asset they are. So you have convertible notes, partnerships, real estate, etc. The column here, units or shares or face value, that's if you purchase a specific number of units. You will see this number. If not, if you just simply made an investment without purchasing a specific number of units, then you will typically either see just one unit for that dollar figure that you invested, or the same dollar figure that you invested is the number of units shown. Cost basis, this just in our records, in our system, this just means the original investment amount. Market price is the value of each unit or share. But again, if you didn't purchase a specific number of units or shares, then it'll just by default either be at $1 per share, or sometimes you'll see the actual investment amount invested as the market price. Market value is the most current value that has been provided to us. If you never provided any documentation to update the value of an asset, that market value would typically still show as the same original investment amount. So let's just say you invested $50,000, and if you never provided this documentation to update that value, it'll still show that $50,000 market value. There you have it here. This is the list of assets, and this is where you can see your account balance. I hope this helps. Thank you.